All right, let's talk about money, specifically, how much you need to get started with a particular financial institution. Have you ever been excited about opening a new bank account or a high-yield savings account, only to hit a brick wall when you see the minimum balance requirement? It can be a real buzzkill, right? You're ready to start building your financial future, perhaps save for that dream vacation, a new car, or even a down payment on a house, and then you're faced with a seemingly arbitrary number that stands between you and your goals. It's a common scenario, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Many traditional banks and even some online financial institutions impose these minimums to cover their operational costs, encourage larger deposits, or simply to segment their customer base. Sometimes, failing to meet these minimums can even lead to pesky monthly fees that eat into your hard-earned savings. It's like trying to get fit, buying all the gear, only to find out the gym has a minimum weightlifting requirement you can't meet yet. You're left feeling defeated before you even begin. But what if I told you there are options out there that are more accessible, designed to help you start saving and growing your money without putting up a huge barrier to entry? That's where understanding the specific requirements of different financial players becomes crucial. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain on Bread Financial, an online-focused institution that's been gaining traction for its competitive rates and user-friendly approach. So, let's get straight to the point. What is the minimum balance for Bread Financial? When it comes to Bread Financial, they primarily offer two types of deposit accounts through Bread Savings, a high-yield savings account and certificates of deposit, or CDs. Each has a different entry point. For their high-yield savings account, Bread Financial requires a surprisingly low minimum opening deposit of just $100. That's it. $100 is all you need to get your foot in the door and start earning their competitive annual percentage yield. This is a huge win for many people, especially those who are just starting their savings journey or who don't have a large lump sum to deposit up front. Think about it. $100 is far more achievable for most than, say, $1,000 or $5,000. Now, it's worth noting that while they encourage you to maintain that $100 opening balance to maximize your earnings, you won't actually be charged a fee if your balance dips below it after the initial deposit. This flexibility is a big advantage and removes a common worry associated with minimum balance requirements. They want you to save, and they don't penalize you for minor fluctuations. On the other hand, if you're looking at their certificates of deposit, CDs, the minimum opening deposit is a bit higher. For any of Bread Financial's CD terms, from 3 months to 5 years, you'll need a minimum of $500 to open the account. CDs are designed for a different kind of saver, someone who wants to lock in a fixed interest rate for a set period and typically has a larger sum they don't need immediate access to. The higher minimum reflects the nature of these products, which often offer slightly higher rates for that commitment. It's also important to remember that Bread Financial does not offer checking accounts. Their focus is specifically on savings products designed to help your money grow. This specialization allows them to offer highly competitive rates on their savings and CD accounts. So, to recap, for a high-yield savings account with Bread Financial, you only need $100 to get started. For a certificate of deposit, that number goes up to $500. Understanding these minimums can help you decide if Bread Financial is the right fit for your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.